The most important thing we do in our home cleaning business is take care of our cleaners. Our cleaners are more important than our customers. Yeah, I said it. And we don't just say it, we put it in writing. And because we take very good care of our people, they can take great care of our customers. That formula works every time. Last year, we cleaned over 7,000 homes in the Atlanta metro area. We are It's Maid Day Home Cleaning Services. Click the video or the links below to explore the career opportunities that we have. If you have experience, great. If you don't, no problem. We are looking for good people first and foremost. We will help you become a world-class cleaner because we invest more in our people than anyone else. We actually have a true career path with new stores opening and an opportunity to own your own store. Yeah, you heard that right. We have a career path to ownership. Click on the career path link located on our employment page and explore those opportunities. You will earn more with us as a cleaner, and you get more. 4 weeks off your first year, paid time in 6 months, and up to 3 weeks of paid time off. We offer dental insurance, vision, life and disability insurance, and a 401k retirement plan with matching contributions. Wow. And team leaders can drive the company car home if they want, and most do. And whether your time with us is long-term or short, you'll always be well respected. You see, taking care of our cleaners is the most important thing we do. Customers buy cleaning services provided by our people. So our product is our people. And that's why you're the most important thing to us. And if you have cleaning experience, you're really going to appreciate all the little things that we do that you just don't find with any other Maid company. In addition to awesome benefits, we also have guaranteed pay. There's nothing more frustrating for a cleaner than a last-minute customer cancellation or just not having enough work during the week. That's never a problem for our cleaners. Nope. We keep our people busy because we don't overstaff. We also have guaranteed pay in those cases if a customer does cancel or reschedule at the last minute. You're still going to get paid a full paycheck that week regardless. The burden of keeping you busy is completely on us. I don't know of any of the Maid company that does that for their people, but we do. Well, I'm actually running out of time, and honestly, I just scratched the surface. For more details and to apply, click the video or the link below to visit our employment page, read our 5-page applicant packet, and explore the opportunities and possibilities before you submit your online application. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.